Welcome to part 2 of the XR500 rebuild. I'm going to take this motor off. Alright, I took this off, unplugged these wires, took these 2 bolts underneath here and here. I take the foot pegs off. Take these 2 bolts off here. Here. There you go. I'm gonna take the exhaust off. Take the handlebars off. I lubed them up before I took that off. Now you get a nut here. There's some ball bearings there, so I got my magnet here. Be very careful not to lose them. They should all stay there. They're all missing on these ones. Look, there's not one ball bearing. So somebody already took this apart. Probably the bottom ones are all gone too. So these are, when you lift this up, if the ball bearings are there, they're all gonna fall off. So my suspicion there, the bearings are all gone. Yep. No ball bearings whatsoever. And missing the bottom race too. I'm gonna take these rubbers off here. Tape that up and tape this up because I'm going to sandblast this. I don't want the sand to go in there. I taped the end seals off here so sand don't ruin them. I might put a piece of tape over that too. Alright, finished sandblasting it. Doesn't have to be 100%. It's not a Cadillac. But wax remover here. I use this 415 top coat there. It's pretty good brush paint. Use a little coat here. The handlebar stop is missing, so I took a pattern of my donor bike here, and this matches up perfectly underneath there. The bolts are in the way, so I'm gonna make one out of metal and weld it on there. This rear piece is missing, so I mocked up a piece here. I'm gonna make that too. So I'm gonna weld this stop here over here for the handlebar. This little piece here, I broke off the end of that, and the yeah, sandblasted steering stop, brake light switch. This end piece here, which I'm going to drill a 6.5 millimeter hole there. So this piece is missing underneath the seat. I took the grinder and cut it here on both sides, and so I'm going to put that in there. I'm going to cut it right here with the grinder. That looks good. One more thing is to weld this on, but I ran out of sand and I couldn't sandblast this. I gotta get on Monday or Tuesday, get some sand, and I'll fix this up, weld that on the frame. I'm gonna paint the frame right now. I give it 2 light coats. It looks really good. I like it. Roll that bracket on there, and then put the swing arm on. Put the tires, and won't take long to put this bike back.